An update to the Eric Brown case. The man accused of kidnapping 19-year-old Ashanti Billie from a local Navy base and murdering her. A U.S. district judge ruled an appeals court needs to sort out the case before Brown can be forcibly medicated in order to restore his competency and stand trial. So here's a look at what the court documents say. Federal prosecutors are trying to forcibly medicate Eric Brown to restore competency so he can stand trial. He's charged with kidnapping and murdering 19-year-old Ashanti Billie from JEB Little Creek in September of 2017.
The government wants to restore him to competency so that he can be made to answer for the charges against him.
Attorney Mike Goodove explains that the defense filed an emergency motion to stop this forcible medication from happening.
The Supreme Court laid out 4 factors that the government has to satisfy to require a defendant to be medicated or to be treated to restore his competency. And Judge Jackson in this case found that those factors were met. That's what they are challenging.
The defense argues for the last year and a half, Brown has been forced to take one antipsychotic drug for dangerousness. They argue the combination with a second is dangerous and violates his rights, adding it could cause irreparable harm. They also argue the government needs to meet its burdens before forcibly medicating a person, raising constitutional concerns.
Well, I don't think he's going to walk away. I think if he's not competent, he's going to remain incarcerated just because you're not competent to stand trial, they're not going to release him.
After the defense laid out its argument, federal prosecutors agreed that Brown should not be forcibly medicated for competency until the Fourth Circuit Court of Appeals rules on the issue.